Meet zDen, the original light-blocking luxury sleep den designed for better sleep anytime, anywhere. zDen sets up in seconds, no assembly required. It's sleep doctor approved, CPSC compliant, and perfect for all ages, recommended for age 5 and up. zDen's flexible frame is designed to move with you no matter how much you toss and turn, ensuring maximum comfort and safety with no rigid or sharp edges. Blocking 99% of light, zDen promotes better, uninterrupted sleep. Our certified non-toxic breathable fabric is crafted exclusively for zDen and is as soft and quiet as your favorite bed sheets. With 2 CPAP-compatible pass-through slots, it's ideal for anyone needing enhanced sleep support. Keep essentials close with a built-in pocket for your phone or glasses. 3 mesh windows let you adjust airflow. And a handy loop lets you hang a fan or light. And here's the genius part. zDen also keeps light in, so your late-night reading won't disturb others. zDen folds easily into its travel case, so you can maintain quality sleep no matter where you are. With zDen, restful sleep is always within reach. Your sleep-on-demand solution, anytime, anywhere.